Mastering English. Irregular Adverb Formation. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting part of English language learning, irregular adverb formation. As you know, adverbs are vital in adding more detail to our language. But sometimes, they don't follow the usual ad-li rule. Let's dive into this irregular world. We know the common rule. Turn an adjective into an adverb by adding li. For example, the adjective quick becomes quickly as an adverb. But some adverbs don't play by this rule. These are the irregular adverbs. They might remain the same as the adjective, e.g., hard, or they might take on a completely different form. E.g., good becomes well. The first group we'll look at is where the adjective and adverb have the same form. Examples include the words fast, hard, late, and early. When we use these words as adverbs, their form does not change. For example, he runs fast, and she works hard. The second group of irregular adverbs is those that transform into a completely different form. The most common example is good, which becomes well as an adverb. For instance, she sings well. Another example is far, that changes to farther or further when used as an adverb. As with most rules in English, there are exceptions. Some adjectives can be turned into adverbs by adding li, but the meaning changes. For instance, hard becomes hardly, but the meanings are different. Hard means with a lot of effort, while hardly means barely or scarcely. The best way to get comfortable with irregular adverbs is to practice. Try making sentences using different irregular adverbs. Reading widely and listening to natural English speech can also help you recognize and understand these adverbs in context. And that's it for today's lesson on irregular adverb formation. It might seem a little tricky at first, but with practice, you'll master it in no time. Remember, learning is a journey, and every step, no matter how small, brings you closer to fluency. Happy learning and see you in our next video.